Yeah, so welcome to this video tutorial. So have you been looking for ways to do cold email marketing? Maybe you want to use it for your personal or business use. Maybe you want to use it to promote your product, your service, or affiliate product, CPA, for anything you want to use. I'm looking forward to get started with cold email marketing. So in this video, I'm going to show you A to Z all you need to start cold email marketing. If you want to do cold email marketing, maybe you are sending emails to people that did not give you consent to send their email, or you buy email lists and you want to send them offer about your product or service. If you are going to be using the CRM outside, maybe Mailchimp, GetResponse, they're going to get your account banned because they are going to count your email as spam. So the best way for you, maybe you want to promote you want to send thousands of emails daily, per week, or per month, so without getting any restriction, the best way for you to go about it is to have your own cold email marketing system. So for you to get started with cold email marketing system, all you need is your email sender software, your SMTP server, and the email list you are sending to. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get started with this. So if this is your first time watching our YouTube video, click on the subscribe button, subscribe, like, and comment. Yeah, so welcome back. So for you to get started like I said, you need an email sender software. So there are a lot of email sender, and there are desktop email and there are cloud-based email sender software that you can use for your cold email marketing. So for this particular software I'm going to be using in this video demo, so for you to get access to this software, you can just click the link under this video tutorial. It's going to take you to the sales page where to purchase this software, just one-time fee. After you have gotten the software, and then you have to connect to your SMTP server here. Can you see SMTP server account? So SMTP server has been already connected to this software. This is a custom SMTP server. This is a custom SMTP server that has already been connected. So with this SMTP server, we're able to send thousands of emails per day without any limitations. But I'm going to be using a testing of Gmail SMTP just to show you how to connect your SMTP server to this software. So let me just show you. Some of you may be asking, what is SMTP server, what is email sender? So let me just put it in a simple way that you're going to understand it. This email sender software is just like software that is going to allow you to upload your email address, where you can create email template, where you can track where your emails can be maybe deliver or not. This is basically what the software is going to do for you. But the SMTP server is what is going to deliver your email to your recipient server. Without the SMTP server, you can't use the email sender software. Without the email sender software, you can't use the SMTP server. These two works together. The email sender and the SMTP server works together. So that's just the easy definition I can just give you for you to understand it. Without the email sender, you can't use the SMTP server. Without the SMTP server, you can't use the email sender. After you've gotten your email sender software, then you can get your SMTP server. You can use free SMTP, as I said, your Gmail SMTP, or you build your own custom SMTP server. Maybe you want to have full access, you want to be able to send thousands of emails. You want to reduce expenses you are paying for all this CRM that they are charging you big money monthly or yearly. The best option is to build your own SMTP server. So let me just show you how to connect an SMTP server to the system. So I'm going to be using Gmail. For you to just get your Gmail SMTP, you can just come to gmail.co/smtp. So yeah, just log in with the Gmail account you want to use for SMTP. So the best advice I'm going to give you is to use your Gmail account that you are not using for your business or personal use, just a random Gmail account. So in case if the Gmail account have issue, you're not going to lose anything. Just click on sign in with Google. Then choose the email. So quickly. So I've created the password, so let's click on continue. Sorry, an error. It's okay. I'll have to log in again to the Gmail. Let's go to gmax.co now. It's SMTP, then sign in with Google. So the system is going to generate your SMTP credential for you. So this information are going to enter to your sender, email sender software. Then you can start sending your email. Mostly what you need for SMTP is the host name. Sorry, the host name. Mostly they ask you for host name, which is the host name. We are using Gmail. Let's go back to our sender. You can which host name, you just put it here. Which from email, enter the from email you want to use. Let me just put this email here. Can enter any reply to from name, the name we want to send with. Enter any name. Your SMTP ports, the SMTP port you are going to see here, you can use the 587, you can just use 58746. If you are going to use 587, you are going to be using TLS. If you are using 465, the port is going to be SSL. So you are using 587. It's not going to be SSN. Assume you are using 46. I use 465 is going to be SSN, but it's not going, we are using TLS. So we're going to uncheck this. Then your Gmax password. So the username, you are using Gmax to get your credential. The username is going to be Gmax, but only the password is going to be different. Just copy the password here. Gmax. So if everything is okay here, it's going to click on OK. So it has already been added here. So with this software, you're able to add as many as possible SMTP server. You can add many as SMTP server you want. Then click on OK. Then come to this email template. Come to this email template. Click on new template. With this email template, you can create your email. You can insert your link. You can insert your image. You can put attachment, anything. You can enter your name, maybe from name you want to send from. You can do an email tag. Maybe you want to mention their email. You can enter it as well. And you can also upload your HTML. Maybe your content is in HTML. You can upload it to the system. Then click on save. Then go back. Then if you want to start sending your emails, you can just come to the start option. Then you can choose the SMTP server you want to use from the drop down. If you want to use multiple SMTP server, you can just select it. Let's see, select multiple SMTP server, select. So with this multiple SMTP server, you'll be able to send differently from this SMTP server. Can you see? So if you want to use Gmail SMTP, maybe you don't have money to build your own custom SMTP server with the Gmail SMTP. So you can use it to send multiple emails. So then the option for you to import your emails, you have two options. It's either you import through TXT file, just choose your file, or you just do copy and paste it here. After I've done your copy and paste, then you can put the second and send the interval, this minute you want each message to be sent. You can just put it to 1, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, how you want it, or 0 seconds. If you want to remove duplicate emails, you can just check it is necessary. Then after everything is done, you can just click on OK. So if there's no error with the SMTP, it's going to start sending. You can see it's going to be giving us OK. You can see from this form, it's sending from different email, from different SMTP. This is not going to affect your SMTP, and it's going to give you 100% delivery to your recipient boss. This is how to do your whole code in your marketing business. So for you to get the software, just click the link under this video. So you can just click the link for this video. So for you to get, maybe you want to buy all your email leads, you want to buy marketing software, you can just go to atjleads.com. Here you'll be able to buy email address, phone leads, quality phone leads, quality email lists that you can promote your product or your service to. So you want to buy email sender software, you are going to see email sender software here. You want to buy email verifier, bulk WhatsApp sender, bulk SMS sender, yellow page scraper, SMTP server. You are going to see it in this particular platform. Maybe you need a custom email list, you can just start the support here. Or you should use this contact us. You can chat them on WhatsApp, email, Telegram. For fast response, you can use the Telegram or WhatsApp. And if you want to make payment, maybe manually, maybe through crypto, you can just chat us now, WhatsApp or Telegram. So this is how to do your cold email marketing. This is just the basic knowledge you need for your cold email marketing. If you want to be going to advanced, that's when you're going to be learning how to building your own SMTP server. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you find this video useful, click on the subscribe button, like and comment. Thank you. We'll see you again.